y'all? It's Haley BTV back with another video. I know, where have you been? Why do you keep doing this? I work a lot of hours, and on the weekends I just be tired. But this weekend we finna stunt on the hoes, okay? Because guess what, honey? We have a little wig. We got a little wig situation. I think I'm gonna call her Kelly, because I don't know her real name. She's synthetic, okay? And so she had like a strip of lace at the middle part, as you can see. And then I cut, there was that bulky line of where everything was sewn together right there, and so I just cut that off so it would lay flatter to my head. I've seen a lot of people do that with their synthetic wigs. I think this is synthetic. I don't really know. I haven't tested it yet. If you're wondering, if you stay to the end of the video and see the results and you're wondering where you can get this wig, I don't know, because I got it at one of those places where they sell like Amazon like products, like Overstock or something. And so like she was in a bin and I picked her up. She was sealed in the package and we took her home, and I took out a lot of hair. Sis had this much hair in her and I just kind of thinned it out. So I'm not gonna be cornrowing my hair because who has time for that? So I've seen people put their hair in like 2 pigtails and braid the ends, so we might try that. This wig is a little tight on my head, so I know nothing can be stuck at the bottom or else it won't like go fully over my head. So I'm probably gonna have to put my pigtails like up here or something. So you guys will see and stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this is what I'm doing. So see, I got my 2 braids. This is going to be my leave out. I just did the perimeter and clipped it. So this is going to be my leave out. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and put it up here so it can lay as flat as it can. And in the back, trying to do this fast because my camera is acting like it wanna die. Okay, here we go. If you guys have wig videos on how you put on your like braiding pattern, I should say, for your wigs, or what you do instead of cornrowing, because I really don't have the patience to do that. But it's the pigtail. I know my part's crooked, but there we go. So be back when this is how the braid looks. I just put the clip on to make sure it doesn't unravel while I do the other side. I'm gonna come back with it all folded up, and so you guys can see me put the wig cap on. All right, you guys, so I have my 2 braids. This is what they're looking like. I put a bobby pin one end this way and the other braid this way. So now I'm going to put on my wig cap. This is my wig cap. It's by Free Tress. So hopefully it looks flat to you guys. But this is as about flat as I'm going to try and get it. I can get it flatter, but I just don't feel like it. So now I'm going to kind of put the wig on and style it. Alright, you guys, so this is how the wig is looking when I first put it on. So I had to put some bobby pins because, like I said, like this wig is really small. It's too small for my head, but I'm trying to secure it. So I think I'm going to redo this bobby pin over here. I got this one secured, but so I'm just going to, since I have a wig cap on, I'm just going to grab like part of the wig, like right there, and kind of like just kind of tuck it underneath my wig cap like that. And there's the hair, there's my weave out. So we should be secured. I'm just going to straighten my real hair to kind of blend in with this one and be back for you guys. All right, you guys, so I've kind of curled my natural hair. You can see where I tried to put foundation. It's like, I don't know, this is hard to do. And I'm trying to blend it as best I can, but you know, it's synthetic, like, be okay. Honestly, don't think it looks that bad, to be honest, but it could look like really bad in the camera. But far away, we here, like, far away, it is it, honey. So, okay. So yeah, so like, you know, I think it looks kind of good, kind of. I don't know. I'm gonna like, let me see. I don't know. Maybe that's like too light. I don't know. Okay, this is in like natural light. I don't know, you guys, but it's my first wig, and well, it's like my second wig, but the other one, it has like a bang, so there's no coverage needed. But this is how this one is looking. And I think this is actually synthetic, so won't be putting that much heat. I don't know. Probably going to crank up the volume on my flat iron so this part can blend better. But other than that, we're gonna go do the laundry. We're gonna go to Wally World. We out here, we out here. So I use foundation in my part, and I just use the Maybelline Fit Me in 360. This is the mocha. Okay, it's not gonna focus. I use the mocha color, so if you were wondering about that. Okay, y'all, so like, I thought it was done, and then I was like, it looks kind of weird, so I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow and kind of make it look more natural. I mean, it's a wig, like, people are gonna know this is a wig. Sorry, guys. This is what the back looks like. So grab some hairspray and spray this in place, honey, because we ain't got time, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got time. We ain't got time. We ain't got time for no games, no foolishness, honey. Let's see. Honey, like, I think that's going to do it. I think that's going to do it. I think that's going to do it. Now, it look like that. I don't know, but this is the closest I'm gonna get to it, as far as making it look natural, because everybody here knows I don't have red hair. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments, do you like this look? What do you think about it? And thanks for watching.